Look, guys, how amazing that is. We are back to Akihabara. Look at the station here. With all the like that in the world. Hulaan nyo kung bakit tayo nandito na naman. Ha? Pambansang kainan. Ito, gusto niya doon na naman magkain sa steak, guys. Sabi ko mag-try ka, tempura, katsudon, paborito niya sa Pilipinas. Pero dito, steak. Sa katsudon sa Pilipinas. Gusto mo, i-try ang katsudon dito, ang curry nila. Gusto niya yung steak, guys. Kung saan kami kumain, doon pa din. Gusto niya nga, pwede ba yun i-take out. Sabi ko, paano maluto? Kaya diba sa sizzling plate yun?
Anong train sa
May puntahan yan siya.
Narita.
Narita?
Anong sakyan natin?
Bullet train. Look at that. Maganda dito, guys, paggabi. Oo, maganda talaga dito paggabi. Kaya mga ilaw din sa Akihabara. Kakaiba. Pakainin lang natin itong mga bata dito. Tapos mamaya, iatid natin sila sa bahay. Hindi pa, mamaya na. Maglakad-lakad pa tayo, diba? Ihatid natin sila sa bahay. Kaya mag-date kami ng mister ko. Dahil this is the last night in Japan. Bukas, uwi na po tayo ulit ng Pilipinas. Ano pala tingnan mo dito?
Tingin lang sapatos tsaka Lego.
Sapatos dito?
Tignan ko kung mas mahal ang Lego doon.
Gusto niya daw i-take out kaya gusto niya i-enjoy yung steak niya tapos manood daw siya ng YouTube habang kumakain. Nakaisisling plate man yun doon. What do you think, guys? Dito ako ngayon sa Uniqlo. Tama lang masyado ang length niya, oh. Look at that. Pero parang mas gusto ko kung black to siya. Para marami po tayong partner. Okay man. Ang mister ko din hindi tayo iniwan ng pera. Nakalimutan ko din magingi. Kaya alam nyo naman, hindi ako nagdadala ng pera, guys. Kaya si Daniel talaga yan. May gray din, pero medium man itong. Nagsisi pa tuloy ako na hindi tayo tumuloy sa pinakamalaki na Uniqlo. 12 floors sa Ginza. Tingnan nyo ang tinitingnan niya. One piece na Lego. Paano niya yan dalhin? Na talaga sa naramdaman mo, Rich, na doon mo gusto magkain, Rich? 3 dinner talaga sa Japan, doon ka? Sure? Nasarapan kasi daw siya sa sauce ng steak. Ayaw niya din yan, oh. Yung sabi ko na hotcake, saan daw ang steak? Na ano man itong anak ko, eh. 3 araw talaga, sunod-sunod. Nung simula na pinatikim ko sa kanya, gusto niya na dito kumain. Pero kami ni Daniel, hindi po kami kakain dito. Si Nathan, gusto niya din yung steak dito, eh. So, dito na din yan siya. Mamaya na lang kami pag-date namin. Dito, nakakain tayo nung huling punta natin. Masarap din yung ramen nila dyan. Natikman ko na. Ayan, oh. Walang katapusan. Kahapon, 400. Ngayon, hindi ko na kayang 400. 250 na lang, 250 grams. Kahapon, 400 daw. Masuka siya sa kabusog. 400 grams ba? Waiting. Madaming tao. Masarap din kasi. Ang kumakain din, mga Japanese. Mga locals lang din. Tapos mamaya, magsima-sima na lang kami ni Daniel. Alam niyo yung sima-sima, guys? Magkain-kain lang ng pakunti-kunti. Mag-date kami. Minsan lang tayo makadate sa Japan. Nag-date kami sa Osaka. Kagabi, mag-date sana kami. Oo. Ngayon, ang nangyari, sabi ko, patulugin ko na muna si Nathan. Alam niyo, oras sa tulog, alas 11 na, ay mga 10:30. Pagka 10:30, pagod na kaming dalawa. Damay pa tayo dito. 3 araw ko din to kainin. Kain na lang ako. Nandito naman din tayo. Did you order?
I order nothing.
Nothing. You don't want steak?
Steak, yes.
Yes, with rice or French fries or...
With rice.
Yes, with rice. You don't like it with patatas? Daniel just ordered the beer. That's all. Maybe later you can do tempura, mahal, if you're hungry.
Eat steak.
Yeah, maybe later I will eat steak.
Why?
Because I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. Nag-ano kasi yan siya, burger tsaka fries kanina.
And-
Kaya busog pa. The soup here is yummy.
But it's so hot.
It's a what?
Kahit ganyan lang na kutsara ba?
Maghingi ka pala kutsara. Gusto niya daw ng kutsara. And all the rice in the world. Look at that. Wow, all the sizzling in the world. Kain guys. Dito na naman, walang katapusan ito. Bukas uwi na tayo. Ito pa rin ang kinakain. Magkain ako sa iba ulit mamaya. Okay, mag-alala. Kain everyone. Sinaslice na ni Daniel ang kay Nathan. Wait lang because Papa is slicing your food and it's still very hot. And you have a sabaw here. Look.
Why so low?
You're a little bit hot, huh? Enjoy.
And I have
Try this piece.
some
Yeah.
Oh no, it's way too hot. I won't try this yet.
You love me so much, huh? Hey, you enjoy there. Enjoy po. And your rice, huh? Mama will enjoy too. So it won't fall, okay? You're not ng garlic sauce. And of course,
It's the black one.
that's fine. That's from the rice. That's just from the rice, baby love. That's normal. The rice in Japan has that. And the rice. Careful, huh? Din man na doon tayo kumain. Napadami na naman ang kain ko. Sarap din kasi talaga. Masarap siya, guys. Yay! Magkain si Nathan ng ice cream because Papa and Mama will date tonight. Yan ang ating Consuelo di Bobo.
Ako yung baso na may ice. Magpunta lang ako dyan sa may glasses.
Sige, sige. Selena, go there and get your ice cream, ha?
I'll pick my ice cream.
Okay, pick your ice cream. What do you want? Guys, itry natin yan. Oh, wala daw itlog. Ito lahat may itlog kasi yan. Yan. Yan, may itlog yan lahat. Ito lang talaga, nag-iisa, walang itlog. Oh. In fairness. You want to try my log? Mas malambot siya, mas fluffy sa siopaw ang kanilang bun.
It's sweet, right?
Yeah. Gusto mo, Rich? You like it? Sesame, red bean.
That's a mean rubber. Yeah, good.
Ano?
Nice.
One? Excited masyado siya sa date night namin, oh. Grabe ba? Nagtakbo na talaga. Ay, you enjoy your ice cream and we enjoy later, ha? I love you. Is it yummy strawberry ice cream? Yes.
Is that his?
Yeah? Yeah, that's good. We'll be back soon, okay? Hindi na muna siya patulugin. Pagbalik na natin. Kay naka-decide ako na magpunta tayo ng Onitsuka, guys. Ano, nagpunta tayo ng Japan. Wala akong nabili para sa sarili ko. Wait for us, ha? Mag-alis kami muna ni Daniel. Mamaya na yung date. Punta tayo sa Onitsuka, guys. Kaya wala akong nabili ba? You know, I'm thinking I'm in Japan and I don't have anything. I did not...
Mahan, if he sleeps early, let's go Akihabara first.
Yeah.
Because I want you to choose something there.
May nanyak na po.
I like that you choose something there.
May nanyak na po. We will go to a love hotel ba ya? Tingnan yung itsura. Kadami palang love hotel dito, guys. Malaman nyo na lang pag nag-iba na ganyang aura, pag nag-blooming na, it's fine.
Love is very hard with two children.
Okay, sumakit ang bewang ko. Sumakit ang likod ko, guys.
Right.
So what? We are married. Huh? We are
So what? We are married.
No, so what? We are married. It's normal that we go to a love hotel. Huh? Punta na muna tayo ng station. Ngayon lang ako, di ba, pag-isip. Kay bukas maaga po kami magpunta sa airport. Ano man ito, sila lang ang meron. Si Derek, kadaming nabilis. Nathan, meron din. Ang tatay, marami. Ako wala. Can that still be? Ah! Alam nyo, may gusto pa akong itry dito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Kagabi, lumabas po kami ni Daniel. Mga 11 na. Tingnan nyo ha, meron silang sweet potato dito. Hindi ko pa na-try. Naubusan kasi sila kagabi. Ayan o. Sweet potato po yan. Grilled siya. Kaya sabi na matamis daw masyado.
Let's hope, huh?
Ang sweet potato dito, yes.
Let's hope, huh?
Na?
That because I did not pack my bag yet,
Hmm.
that there is isn't super curious and goes looking in what's in the package in the back of the buggy.
Huwag yun na pansin yung mister ko, guys. Kaya yan. Ow, my back is hurting even when laughing, mahal. Grabe, kahit mag-ubo.
Get a
Sa
massage in
kakalakad
Manila,
ba?
mahal?
Yeah, I get a massage when we're in the Philippines. Sabi na din kasi katagal, guys. Siguro violet na yung ano, balls ng mister ko. It's not blue anymore, mahal. It's violet now, mahal.
Violet now.
Yeah. Your balls. Natakot ako mag-ubo. Sumasakit talaga siya. Dito na po tayo. Ueno pa rin to, guys. Nasa Ueno pa rin tayo, no. Malaki din kasi ang Ueno. Pero, nandito yung mga shopping nila. Kay Ueno man yung dun sa apartment natin. Pero, ano siya, di ba? Hindi siya ganito. Very quiet po doon. You see that, everyone? What I'm seeing there? There is where it's supposed to be. Yun lang. Wala yung kulay na gusto ko, guys. Which one? Can you look? Kasi ang ano ko na masyado ito, guys. So, ang yellow ba? Gusto ko yung dark pink. Tingnan nyo, oh, ang yellow. Maganda din man siya ba? Maganda din, uy. What do you think, man? I like it.
You like the yellow?
Yeah, I think so.
Then let's get that one.
I got it. Okay na lang, uy. Kahit yellow. Okay lang. Kaya feeling ko mas marami ring mapartneran ng yellow, guys. Feeling ko mas maganda siya. Tingnan nyo sa amin. O, di ba? Iba siya. Puro apartment ngayon dito na side. These are all apartment, mahal. Here. No shopping area. Mga convenience lang. Sa Japan, guys. I think how we spend it here, like how many days we've been here is just enough. You know? That if we will still stay here tomorrow, I cannot anymore. Like that. Sorry. I am back! How was your ice cream?
Good.
Good. Now we change you. And then we make you sleep. And then Mama and Papa will have a date.
Where are we going?
Ah! No, you sleep.
Where are we going?
Sinipa niya ang ano,
Where are
napasok
we
sa-
going?
In your dreams. We are back sa Akihabara, guys. Dito na muna kami. May gustong ipatingin sa akin si Daniel yung pinuntahan niya kanina. Tapos diretso tayo sa Asakusa. Pupunta po kami sa Happy Bar.
Happy Street.
Yeah, Happy Street with all the beers and the drinking and the eating. Dinala, you remember the guy with the rikso?
Yeah.
He brought us there. That's why I know the place. Happy Street, guys. Hindi lang siya bar, kundi street po talaga siya. Inumanan para init. Look at that, everyone. Grabe, may pinasukan kami ni Daniel, guys. Kakaiba. Kami sa Pop Life department store. Check ako kayo, mga customer nila ba? Grabe ang mga customer nila. May Nag-send ako ng mga picture kay Maricel. Grabe ang taon yung mga customer nila kay may mga edad na. May pasok lang, good. Nagtingin lang kami. Tapos ngayon, punta na tayo sa Asakusa. Akihabara!
Happy Street.
Andito ang Akihabara Station. Ang Akihabara, guys, kung mahilig kayo sa mga anime, sa mga electronics, andito po lahat yan. Nightlife naman, Shinjuku,
Apparently
Shibuya.
also a lot of maid cafe.
Yeah, maid cafe dito, marami din po 'yan, mga hindi ko nasabihin. Okay, rated SPG na masyado. Andito po 'yan sila lahat. Oh, look, Kunkutsu. Tutsu, my love. Are you not hungry yet? Let's eat to the Happy Bar.
Yeah.
Maraming ganyan dito. Yeah, may cafe yata yun. I noticed, it was way more before when we went here when it was spring. But now it's winter.
Yeah.
You don't really see them. A lot less.
It's cold too.
Yeah, cold to yung magtayo-tayo ka dyan ba? Yung parehas niyan, oh. Pero naka-coat na sila. You see that? Tabunan lang natin ang mga itsura nila, guys, ah. Not a lot mahal because before like 10 of them,
Yeah.
just one
Now it's only
line.
5 and before it was 10. You're
Woo!
cold, so I'm closing my
Cold! Grabe kalami, guys. Wow! So moy! I love it. Japan. Why are you so beautiful? Yan. Tingin lang kayo dyan sa Japan, ha? Kita nyo lang man itong ginagawa nating mga kabuang dito. Alam nyo, ay bukas naman tayo mag-uwi. Feeling ko mag-alarm ako bukas, mga alas 5, maglabas ako. Mahal, I will put an alarm for tomorrow at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
You know where I'm going?
Where?
To eat ramen. Yeah.
5? Oh, to eat your
Okay. Maaga man kasi tayo masyado bukas. Gusto ko mag-ramen ba? And I want to enjoy, no? Yung magkain ka na wala akong pakainin. Gusto ko yung mag-isa ako, namnamin ko yung ramen before tayo mag-uwi. Yeah, there is. Like 18 minutes walk. Meron din po silang pa-temple dito. At least man lang nakabalik po tayo, no? Tingnan nyo. It's very cheap now.
Price down.
Yeah, price down. Yan yung mga pagkain. Nakita ko din yan sa TikTok na paggabi na they put it in price down. Saka sa mga din po, mga convenience store, ganun din. Kagabi nagpunta kami, mga 40% off siya, ang mga sushi. Girls bar, everyone. Look at that. Wow. You want to go inside?
No.
Are you looking at the boobs there?
I want to go with you.
Sure ha? Tingnan nyo guys. A woman mahal doing the Rexo mahal. Tingnan nyo. Yan yung sinakyan natin dito last time. Ng April. Look at that. All the foods in the world. Magkain din tayo ngayon. May pasabaw po siya. It's not so busy here. Dito, busy sila dito. Ingay sila dito, guys. Come to the Happy Street. Ayan siya. Kabilaan, guys. Let's find where we want mahal.
Yeah.
There first? All the fried stuffs man ito, uy. Dito naman. Mga pagkain nila dyan. Mga pulutan ba? Masarap na pulutan. Okay lang din. There, barbecue. Ano itong pagkain nila dito? Grabe, punuan guys. Halala, may naglaplapan na doon. May naglaplapan na guys. Kadaming lasing. Uy, mga bata-bata ba? Nandito na tayo sa loob guys. Nagayosi sila dito sa loob. Uy, makahilo ba? Pero wala man tayong mahanap na iba. Ganito man lahat. Ayan yung menu nila guys. English menu. Nag-order ako ng patikulon tsaka ng liver na chicken. May palibre sila na pickled egg. Ano yan siya? Yung nakalimutan ko nung tawag natin dyan. Ang dates. I love you so much ha. Are you ready to rumble? Kasarap ng sake sa Japan. Can you try that, my love?
Let me try the beer first.
Okay. Oh yeah, very light beer. Salty?
I like it.
Yeah? Salty? What's the taste? What's the difference?
A little bit salty. It's like
Pickled?
like a little bit soy sauce kind.
Wow! Sashimi guys, everyone. Kain. Daming tao. Halos mga bata pa ba? Look at that. Sashimi. Wow.
That's why I tried first. Spicy in your nose?
Abot utang ang spicy sa... Good Hey, Japan. And then you drink it.
Put these here.
When? Huh?
Salmon?
Yeah.
This is so good.
Yeah.
It's very different from you're right.
Yeah, I told you. Fried octopus. I cannot eat that, guys. Kay may itlog.
Because she didn't know for sure if it has
Yeah.
egg or not.
How can she not know? They're cooking it there, right? Nagtanong kami ba kung may itlog. Hindi niya daw alam. The butter was already made. You know that they cook it and then just put the octopus. How's that taste? Wala na, ang painit natin.
It's good,
Yeah.
but it's a little bit chewy.
Ang painit natin, baka nag-food vlog na tayo dito, food reviews na. Ayan pa o mga pagkain nila. Meron silang recommended daw guys. Beef tendon offals 2. 650 yan. Pero maliit lang masyado ang mga, ayan o, magkano yan? Magkano yan siya? Wait. Fried octopus, 780 yan. Para sa ganun kaliit na bowl. Where's the neck? I ordered neck.
No, you
I
ordered
said,
2 to 1.
yeah.
You ordered.
I ordered 2 atay and 2 batikulon. And this the neck. We try if it's the same taste.
What is that time?
Yeah. Mami. Japan sauce. It's sweet.
Chicken neck?
Yeah. It says there. Chicken neck.
Then there should be bones.
Yummy. I like it. Kain guys.
There's something crunchy.
Say it mahal. Painit. Painit.
Painit. Mas painit.
We're making ourselves hot. Hotter. Grabe na painit ito guys. Hindi normal. Parang kargahin na ako ni Daniel. Oh, pangalawang saki pero maliit na siya. Yung isa malaki.
I want one with the sashimi.
Yeah. You need to help me now, mahal. Diyos ko, grabe na painit ito. I think you will carry me going to the, to where we're going. Tell them, uy, we're going, uy.
Well, I don't know if we're actually going there if you are like that.
Sashimi, nag-order kami sashimi. Sige na, just one. Painit.
Shot paregat.
Oh, shot para igat. Look at that, everyone. Last pulutan, all the sashimi in the world. Nag-order kami ng 3 kinds of sashimi. Good? The tuna, everyone. I want to taste the... Nilalagyan talaga nila. Ano tuna din? Ano to? Wasabi.
Already done?
Yeah, see? See?
You know what I just did?
7,360 yan. Not bad.
Sometimes 360.
Busog ako, nag-enjoy. Pero alam nyo nang napansin ko sa mga Japanese, maingay sila guys pag nakainom na. Lalo na itong babae sa, sa kabilang table namin. So guys, alamin nyo pa ba kung saan kami magpunta? Huwag na siguro, uy, ayoko. Thank you so much for watching.
Hey,
Huh? You do your best. You do your best. You're hot now?
Hot? No.
No, you're not hot. Now let's drink more. You're not hot. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Asakusa. Grabe, nag-enjoy kami, guys. As in, grabe na date night ito. We love you. See you again tomorrow kung hindi absent. Bye!
Bye-bye.
Are you ready to rumble?
Oh, you still need to show them the room.
No. Are you ready to rumble?
No.
My love, we are in Japan.
Okay. All this stuff. Brush, hairbrush,
Wow. You know, for watching this now, we are 80 years old, my love. That we are in the Love Hotel in Japan. Can you believe we're 80 now? Why?
Shampoo, soap, conditioner. What is all this stuff?
May Manyaki's husband.
Yes, your Maniaki's husband.
How
And
much?
my Maniaki's wife.